Hi, welcome back to Harris Maths. Today I'd like to introduce you to a concept of a graph, uh, somewhat different from what you might have studied at school, which is a two-dimensional graph with an x and a y-axis. Here's the definition. A graph is a diagram consisting of points called vertices joined by lines called edges, and each edge connects exactly two vertices. So if we sketch this out, we have points called vertices, as we have two, joined by an edge, and this is a simple graph. We can add another point and join it by another edge. So this represents a graph. So the simplest graph would be one edge connected to two vertices. Now here's an example that we'll produce a graph or a number of graphs to represent. Arsenal played once against Chelsea and Everton, but not against Liverpool. Chelsea and Everton played each other twice this season, and Liverpool played Everton once. So we'll use graphs to represent this data. And our first graph looks like this. E is for Everton. And C is for Chelsea. A is for Arsenal. And L is for Liverpool. Let me just connect that there. So what we have, Arsenal played against Chelsea and Everton. So Arsenal played against Chelsea and Everton. So this edge AE is the match between Arsenal and Everton, and AC, the edge, represents the match between Arsenal and Chelsea, but not against Liverpool. So there's no edge connecting Liverpool and Arsenal. Then we have that Chelsea and Everton played each other twice, and that's indicated by these two lines here and here. And Liverpool played Everton once, so Liverpool played Everton as one edge, joining Liverpool and Everton. But we can actually represent this with a graph when the same number of vertices, but could be laid out differently. And here are two other versions of it. There's Arsenal. We have Chelsea here. It's Everton and Liverpool. Let's check our data and see if it corresponds to this graph. Arsenal played against Chelsea once and also Everton. So Arsenal, Chelsea once and once against Everton. So there's a edge joining E to A and A to C, but not against Liverpool. So there's no connection with Arsenal directly to Liverpool. And we have Chelsea and Everton played each other twice. Again, we have this connection here. of Everton connected to or playing Chelsea, and that happens twice. And then Liverpool played Everton, which is this edge, once. And then our next graph represents, again, the same data, but arranged differently. Right, we have Arsenal played against Chelsea and Everton once. Arsenal against Chelsea and Everton once. So I've just added this edge here. So Arsenal plays Chelsea and Everton once. Nothing against Liverpool, so there's no edge connecting Arsenal to Liverpool. Chelsea and Everton played each other twice. So we have two edges connecting Chelsea to Everton. And Liverpool played Everton once. There's one edge connecting Liverpool to Everton. So these are several ways to represent the same interconnections, and each diagram represents the same information about which team has played which team. So we have graphs with 4 vertices and edges. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair.